today I'm gonna try to teach you how to cure a hiccup. Oh, shit, I have one right now, so that's why I'm making this video. This can be painful, it can be annoying, it can be pretty much everything. So, I'm just gonna show you a few ways how to maybe cure it, but the best way is find your own way. So, here we go. I've heard and tried to cure it with holding a breath. Someone say that works. So it's just hold your breath and don't let it out before you really gotta have some air. But of course I have another way to cure my hiccup. So another way to cure the hiccup I've heard is drinking water. I've heard it from many different people. So what you gonna do? Ay, shit! Spill it all over me. Just glad it didn't hit the computer. Well, just try to drink a lot of water and swallow it. I have another method myself, which I combine these two. I'm gonna show it on the end. So, I'm just gonna get wiped up, but here's the next method. So here's some other methods. I've heard someone cure it by simply getting scared. I don't know about what, but just for example, well, I've never tried it because I've never had anyone to help me. But maybe try to watch a horror movie. Or I've heard people like to have some big bangs, so just blow it up, pop it to your head. Shit. Whew. That's only left to see. It's kind of over. Yeah, but can show any more anyway. Well, so the next method is actually by my sister. She have a kind of rare way to cure her hiccup. She take a lot of water in her mouth and like get down on her knees. Put your hands, your head down to the floor, and you sit like that and swallow water one bit at a time. I've never tried it, but I stick it to my way. So here's my way. What I used to do is I take a bit of water and I take a mouthful of water in my mouth. Then I take to swallow a bit. Then I breathe in. Then I swallow, and then I breathe. And that's how I do it. Then just continue this until I'm empty of water. But if you would do me a favor and post me a video response or a comment your way to cure a hiccup, or if you know about others, so I can know about them too. So hope you have found an idea how to cure a hiccup, and good luck. Bye bye.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome from Los Angeles, California,